Yeah man, this soil my viewers, this soil is the burning, the cane trash from the Long Pond Sugar Factory.
It's a combination.
Yeah man, it's a combination of a lot of things. Looking beautiful, full of protein.
They grow so fast that they mature too fast and they start to put on a lot of seeds.
As you can see, the dirt is very dry, but it don't need water for no plant to grow. You just want to plant anything in here and it grow naturally. Yours and my subscribers, welcome back to another video. Yeah, I just seen my previous video. Yeah man, the water truck man that, you know. Yeah, as you see in my previous video, I tell you about black dirt from the factory. Yeah man, going there now to get some black soil to put in my farm. Alright, so people, don't forget my store. Check it out, there's a lot of products there. Yeah, we have shirt, cups, you name it, you can check it out. Alright, stick and stay, alright? Yes, my people, we are going on the farm, you know. Yeah, get some of them black dirt, let me tell you about. Down at the factory, get some of the black dirt. As you can see, the callaloo man there in front. Yeah, the callaloo man I lead the way. Yes, I. Alright, my people, bless up on yourself. As you can see, my viewers, this is the factory, the Long Pond Estate, the Long Pond Sugar Factory. Yeah, so this is where the burning of the cane trash. Yeah, so them throw it on the other side of the road. And trust me, it is very powerful. It grows a lot of stuff. Stick and stay to see what's coming next. Yes, my people, these are my bags here. Yeah, these are my bags with black dirt. I'm going to show you the quality look of the soil. I'll let you see what's going on. Yes, my people, check it out. Yeah, this soil is very rich, you know what I mean, full of protein. Anything you plant in it, that's it. You don't have to water it, it's ready to go. So yes, my viewers and my subscribers, I have some bags here, so all I have to do, get a vehicle and come to them, you know what I mean. And as you can see over the farm, into the farm, the callaloo man is over there, you know what I mean. Very green and looking lovely, trust me. So stick and stay, my people, because I'm going right there, alright? Yeah man. Yes, my people. This is, what is this? A chicken? Poultry. Poultry. Yes, this is poultry. Very rich.
Very rich. The soil already. Very rich poultry.
Yeah.
You know, morning our viewers, another shooting and the broad and long farm, you know?
Yeah.
With the director, Mr. in Hampshire.
Yes.
As you can see here, just
very green.
3 weeks ago, these girls were planted.
Yeah, 3 weeks ago, my people.
Can't believe it.
In the black soil.
Black soil. Look
yeah.
at it. Abia, look at it.
Look at it.
Look at it there.
Green.
Green.
Looking beautiful. Full of protein.
They grow so fast that they mature too fast and they start to put on a lot of seeds. Not lins,
seeds. They mature too fast.
They begin to see.
Yeah, just you hear that, my viewers? The black dirt, the black soil.
I have to cut some for our friend is coming out to purchase. So
my God. Whoa. Yes, Mr. Elliot, morning. Yeah man, we're there man. Yeah, what?
This man, I know him as a good worker, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, right, you know, in a clean farm, with the right, you know.
For real?
I get pig feed from him.
Alright.
And everything.
Yeah.
So, I know him as a good farmer.
For real, man.
And he have a nice way out because he have a chance
Yeah.
Round and round.
Nice farm.
But just a pretty full farm.
My God, man. Yeah, Mr. Elliot. For real, man.
Just a pretty full farm, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Elliot. So, Mr. Elliot, what you would say to the guys them on the street now?
Them the one, you mean them the one?
Yeah.
Them the one up on the street.
You're right. Sit around not doing
Well,
nothing.
me no ban up with them age group.
Yeah.
But them sin before them member, you know.
Yes, true.
Yeah, them sin before them member. So them no decide nothing in righteousness.
Right.
The righteous people, them, I don't know if you say you know, but I believe say the righteous people, them pass off already. What left to come are them God Almighty, the judge.
Yeah, for real.
That's what I believe. You
For
know?
real, Mr. Elliot.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. All right, Mr. Elliot. Give thanks here.
Give thanks and praise, sir.
What do you mean, man? Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, Mr. Elliot, I look some feeling, you know? For real, man. So, you see how the Callaloo man, do it? Yeah! Yeah, man. The Callaloo man is a very powerful man, but trust me, this black dirt, that is the reason why I'm here with the Callaloo man, trust me. This black dirt is very powerful. Let me show you what it's fertile. Full of fertility. And tell us, my viewers, this guy full of words.
Fertility.
Precisely. Yeah. Yes, my viewers. This man is also the brother along, man. Just hold on. Yeah, we get in there. Whoa. It seems like the Prime Minister is calling him now, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. Sometimes when you're on the farm, you know, the phone screen wet a little. You know what I mean? Because of hard work. Yeah, but trust me, viewers. Look on this Callaloo. My God. I'm back on the farm with the Callaloo, man. Just because of this soil here, this soil.
Hello. How you doing? Yes, I'm on the farm. I know you're doing. I keep it my baby.
Alright.
I'm here shooting another video and with the brother along on the farm. With Mr. Hampshire. I'll cut him, you know. So how you doing? Yeah, man.
Don't want to go deep in his you know, lyrics in, because he is a lyrically engineer, you know what I mean? Alright, castor oil seed, you know. The person who call in, the person need castor oil seed. Alright? You see how powerful the Callaloo man is? Anything you want, any medicine, any herbs, the Callaloo man. Alright? Yeah, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. There's a lot of okra over here. But this soil is the reason why I'm here. This soil here. You don't need water in this soil for nothing to grow, for anything to grow. You just need to just plant it and that's it. Whoops, right away, it's gone. You know what I mean? So this soil is very rich. It's a very rich soil. It come from the factory over there. Yeah, it come from the factory over there. So right now, I have some bag up on the road. Get a vehicle and come pick them up to put on my farm because I need this soil on my farm. Alright? Yes, my viewers. I have okra here. Yeah, man. These okra you can pick and eat same time. You don't have to put into the pot. You know what I mean? Yes, my viewers. Pretty green farm, don't it? Alright, my viewers. Yes, my viewers, it's all about this black soil here. This rich black soil. Yeah. I need a lot of it at home to do my farming, put into my farm. Yeah. Real, man.
Full of fertility.
Yeah, man, full of fertility. Yes, I. Right now the Callaloo man is cutting some Callaloo to carry on the street. Yeah.
Hold on. I'm thirsty. You're not thirsty.
What you mean, man? Viewers and subscribers, it's all about the broad and long.
You're not thirsty.
Yeah.
Hold on. Here's
the cups. Where you put them?
The cups are here, man.
Oh.
No, them in the field.
You leave them in the field. It is time for the broad and long, my viewers. Yeah. Smusher, alright.
I'm thirsty.
Yes, I saw we do it, you know.
I'm thirsty.
That is Ricky. Alright, the brother long.
No, don't need the farm name broad and long. Yes, sir.
Rinse it out. The brother long, my viewers. This is the tonic wine.
This is the
Whoa!
tonic wine.
It smells high. I stay from afar and smell it. Whoa, my viewers. So when you drink this, it is not to intoxicate you. Tell them more.
Not to intoxicate you or lift your height up, but to energize your body.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's full of
Well said.
well fermented.
My God. Yes, my viewers.
What a flavor.
This make you work down the whole field.
Precisely. Look over there.
Look over there.
Preparing for a piece of the grabber.
The grabber.
It's the grabber section.
All these sucker over here, seedlings. Seedlings. Tobacco seedlings.
Not from suck, man. Seedlings. Seedlings.
It's gonna go over here.
That's where I'm preparing.
Yeah.
Preparing for the grabber. This is the grabber section.
Alright. You see that, viewers? This is where the grabber is gonna plant. And when you take a shot of the broad and long, it is very easy to weed out.
Yeah, one shot, very easy.
Yeah, man.
You're just working like you're crazy.
Yeah, because the broad and long give you tonic power. Energize you. Energetic. You say the brother full of words, you know, my people.
I'm lyrically inclined. Buju Banter is my fantasy.
Yeah.
Buju Gargamel.
Gargamel.
Woman, you're pretty, but you get no response. The eye glance is a lifestyle. Woman, you're fat, but you get no cater. You're big in a body, but young like a wa. I check you up, me see you on the corner. You are making your skirts for your veranda. Yes, I take like it brand like a wa. Woman, how you keep possessing the charmer. Woman, you're pretty, but you get no response. Blessing to the most people. It's a nice energy.
Yes, I.
To be on the phone with Mr. Hampshire.
Yes, I.
He makes me go worldwide.
For real, man.
Get phone call from all angles.
Yeah.
About the brother and the quality of the farm. Not quantity.
Quality.
Maybe not the quality. Quality.
Yeah.
Precisely.
The quality. The word quality, it starts with 2Q.
Q, yeah.
Yeah. Right.
Quality.
Yeah, man, the broad and long.
Yeah, the broad and long, you know.
Yeah.
It's all about the broad and long.
Yes, man.
And the our viewers, nice to have you on this channel.
Yeah, so the caller call about, what kind of seed? The caller just call you about? The person who just call you, some seed?
Oh, it's my daughter.
Oh, she wants some seed?
She at University.
Okay.
So she wants to experiment.
Okay.
So she wants some iron nut seed and some dry coconut.
Oh, doing some
experimental.
Okay. So use the person that most people call for herbs and seeds and all those things.
Precisely.
Thank you, man. Thank you,
a
man.
lady couldn't get pregnant and she talked to me.
Yeah.
I give her one drink.
And that's it.
One Indian baby.
Yes, and I hear a lady at the shop there talking again, says she was in that state and it was you give her a bottle of something.
Yeah.
And that's it. Over all these years, she have that problem.
Suffering. And one drink. One drink, our viewers.
Yes, my people.
Your people.
Give them a phone number, make them call.
290, our viewers. 5892.
Give them again.
290-5892. I cannot be disturbed.
All right.
I cannot disturb.
All right.
That means I will always be there.
Yes, you hear that?
Answer my phone.
Right.
If my baby is beside me, even if I'm my baby, if it's my baby and I have to answer my phone.
True man, yes. It is so important.
Business is business.
All right.
And business before pleasure.
All right, my viewers, you have to go back on the farm.
Without business, you can't have pleasure.
True, man.
Viewers, listen to me. Without business, you can't have pleasure.
Yeah.
Because business make a pleasure. Because business turns finance around.
Yeah, man, that's true.
Business turns finance.
True.
Right? Mr. Hampshire, come another shot.
Take another shot. I need to do a video of these edges here. The edges look nice. Yes, I. Broad and long. Cheers, Aya.
Cheers, Aya.
Cheers, Aya. Alright. I want to take a video of the hedges here. The hedges of the greens, the callaloo. Trust me, viewers, the people, them, trust me, a tree truck that pass already and blow up, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Oh, you not give me none of this kind of drink. Yeah.
Oh my God, the brother along. The brother along, bud, you know.
Mr. Elliot, if you make no trouble in the community, no call me name. If you make no trouble, don't call me name. Drink it off, man.
Yes, Mr. Elliot, I saw this roots is very strong.
If you
powerful.
make no trouble in the community, don't call me name. Can me give you something? Can me give you? What me give you?
The brother along. It's gonna turn into 16 years of age.
Precisely.
Alright. Yeah, man. Oh. Yes, my viewers. Yeah, man, this soil, my viewers, this soil is the burning, the cane trash from the Long Pond Sugar Factory. So when them burn the trash after them throw the burning over here. The filter press, yeah.
Filter press.
Yeah.
Black ashes.
Yeah, filter press with the black ashes here.
Filter press come out of the sugar, the milk from the sugar.
The muck from the sugar, right? Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
It's a combination.
Yeah, man, it's a combination of a lot of things.
It's a combination of a lot of things.
Yeah, so that is the reason why anything you put it inside. As you can see, the dirt is very dry, but it don't need water for no plant to grow. You just want to plant anything in here, and it grow naturally. That is the reason why the callaloo grow taller than the owner who plant it. Yeah? I say no. I say, but trust me. Yes, my viewers. So I'm gonna get some of this soil now to put in my garden. Yeah. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers. As you can see, the factory is nearby. All here is the black soil. Yeah. As you can see, everything is green around me. Yeah. All right. Yeah, man, Mr. Elliot.
This is the plant.
Trust me.
That you use the plant.
So that is the planter. You just jam and plant. Yeah, that is the planter, my people. Just jam and put in the hole. Yeah. Yes, man. Yeah.
One year of viewers. It's a pleasure.
Yes, Aya.
It's a pleasure having this video.
What do you mean, man?
Trust me. I'm feeling good. It's the energy from the Almighty.
For real, man.
Without him.
It's the only, you know,
It's the
only place it can come from.
Yeah.
Nowhere else.
Nowhere else.
Yeah, man. The
Almighty
creator up above.
Above.
Father God.
Father God. It's
Yes.
only him.
Yes, Aya.
Can make all things are possible.
Possible.
Only believe.
Precisely.
Only believe. Only believe. All things are possible.
Alright.
Only believe.
Believe.
Yes.
Alright, my viewers and my subscribers. My name is Ever Slick. If you're new here, and that is the callaloo man, German, yeah? Also the man, the broad and long man. So right about now, we're gonna be out for now. So my viewers and my subscribers, thank you for watching and blessed love. Alright?